Welcome to Manufacturing Day 2022. Our Cavalier Army was on point. We were working with various schools from around Windsor and Essex County. And you want to work in the mold industry? Well, Cavalier stepped up to celebrate National Manufacturing Day. We had t-shirts and backpacks and lots of engaging staff offering up tours. And we did have some fun as well. So check us out at cavaliertool.com and join us on one of our many social media platforms. And if you're interested in coming out on a tour, well, check us out, reach out, and come on out to visit us, the Cavalier Army. We also are celebrating Manufacturing Month throughout October, a time to celebrate and recognize the wonderful world of plastic injection molding. The future is indeed bright when we are working with our youth and our future, the young people that we want to welcome into mold making and tool making. Check us out. Hope to see you soon.